Hello YouTube community. This is a quick video regarding what you would need in order to replace the radiator for a 2001, actually 1998 to 2005 Lexus GS300. I went to Toyota and got the original thermostat from Toyota. I think it's like $30, but I just want to make sure I got Toyota parts with the seal, which is around $5 for the seal. Also, I got this from Amazon. This is the part number for the lower hose with this reinforcement over here for heat protection. That's what they call it. This is the upper hose. Also, I got the Preston antifreeze coolant for Asian vehicles, which is very important. So it's recommended for Toyota, Lexus, and Scion. I got here a flush fill kit. And as you see here, there's some of the tools, pliers over here to hold the hoses, to disconnect, the different tools to disconnect to. The radiator, glove, drill. You see here the connections over here. I'm going to test it by pulling a little bit of air, make sure it works. There's no obstruction. The drain, the sensor, the main hose over here with the connections, the own radiator cap, and those are the different connections. Okay, so this is a quick video. More tools that I have to use to make sure it works. So wish me luck, and then I'm gonna see tomorrow is gonna do another video regarding the installation and what need to be disconnected from the old radiator that I have it on that Lexus, so that way you guys can. I paid for this radiator around $80 from Amazon. It says it's made in Taiwan. I think somewhere here, Denso, made in Taiwan. Come with their own cap for the radiator. But it's pretty cool. Again, feel free, make any comments, subscribe, and see you tomorrow.